The oak floors are down here in the kitchen. You can see Charlie has actually protected them with the cardboard, but the good news is because they're down, we can start with the kitchen cabinets. The installers have made great progress. Homeowners have chosen two different looks here. So everything is a high-density MDF box with a melamine skin, but you can see here it's a high-gloss white. There'll be an oven there, a microwave there, a refrigerator here. The white is continued over here where the range will be, but then up top, we've got a matte green, which is also on our big island out front. You can see that beautiful color right there. On top of this is going to be natural stone, so quartzite coming over, as well as a waterfall edge down there. And Tommy, you've got a couple overhangs?
Right, so the cabinet's going to run all the way overhang here, so we'll be able to put a seat on the end also.
But you've got this exposed.
So this is the back of the island cabinet, so we're going to dress that up with some of that leftover flooring.
Right.
So,
and then one twist is we're going to actually have to dress up more of that wall, because the thought is this cabinet right here, I guess it stays for now, but eventually Caffrey will be in a wheelchair, and
right.
I'd like him not to just be able to wheel underneath the countertop and be next to all the business. So the oven, the microwave, the refrigerator and such. And so the idea is that this stays for now,
right.
And when the day comes, it can be removed.
Right, so we're prepped for that because this is on wheels. We can take this right out of the way. You just slide it right out. And then we can finish all of this wall, so when this cabinet's out of the way, it'll look beautiful.
Okay, so what, oh, I see, it looks like you got some base cut.
Yeah, we got some base. Again, this is the same material that the flooring is done. We've put a rabbet on the top, and we've mitered this corner because it's going to return on this end. I'm going to drop this in place just like that, so it wraps right around, and it'll go just like that.
Get some tools and start the installation.
Sounds good. Yeah, the end grain will suck that glue right in there, so we want to get plenty on it. Okay, so now let's push it together tight. All right, so we get the miter, that looks good there. I'm going to tack it back here. All right, now I'm going to tack this way in the front. I want to toenail the nail in slightly. All right, now we can just nail that off all the way down. All right, let me show you what we're going to make out of the flooring. Now this is a piece of the flooring right here. It's oak. First thing we need to do is remove this tongue and the groove. And once we do that, we'll end up with two square edges and the right width that we need.
Beautiful stuff.
Yeah, it is beautiful. Now we have to dress it up. So if you look at the face, we're going to end up with grooves, 1 inch, groove, 1 inch, another 1 inch with a groove, and a rabbet on the other side. And to make that, I've simply taken a router and I put a base plate on it so that I could put this guide right here that will fit in the groove. So to make it, take the router, I put it against the edge, and I slide it down, making my first groove. I take it up, put the router in the groove, the guide right there, slide it down, make my next groove, put it in the next one, slide it down. To do the rabbet, I would put it in the groove here, and then I would just pull it down, cutting the rabbet.
When are you going to write the book of jigs, Tommy? Because you got plenty of them.
You've got to have a jig to speed up the process.
Well, that's pretty sweet.
Yeah, now we only have about 27 more to do.
First of the pile, coming in.
Now I'm going to try to nail them right in the groove. There you go.
All right, Tommy, I love white oak, but that takes it to a whole new level. That's a great look.
It is a great look, and the nice thing is we're going to put the same finish on here that matches the floor.
Awesome. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.